Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. I am presenting you the solutions of JEE Advanced 2018. This is question number 2 from paper 1 from the topic solutions of triangle. One very important topic for JEE Advanced. We every year see multiple questions from this topic. Let us see what this question is. In a triangle PQR, let angle PQR is equal to 30 degree and the sides PQ and QR have lengths 10 root 3 and 10 respectively. Then which of the following statements are true? A. Angle QPR is equal to 45 degree. B. The area of triangle PQR is 25 root 3 and angle QRP is equal to 120 degree. C. The radius of incircle of triangle PQR is 10 root 3 minus 15. D. The area of circumcircle of the triangle PQR is 100 pi. So let us see how to solve this question. We are given two sides RQ and PQ as 10 and 10 root 3 and we are also given one angle 30. Side opposite to that angle is not known. So best approach to start this question will be to use cosine rule. I can use cos of Q is equal to P square plus R square minus Q square upon 2 times P into R. Here P is the side opposite to vertex P, which is 10. Q is side opposite to vertex Q, it is unknown. And similarly, R is 10 root 3. Now cos Q is cos 30, so it is root 3 by 2. P square is 100. R square is 300 minus Q square upon 2 into 10 root 3. Okay, so here this 2 will get cancelled. If we do the cross multiplication, we get 300 is equal to 400 minus Q square, which gives Q square is equal to 100. So Q is equal to 10. So the unknown side is equal to 10. Now because two sides are equal, which we have found just now, and one which is given in the question, so this angle here would also be 30. And by angle sum property, the remaining angle will be 120 degree. Okay, so our one of the option was given based on that only, that angle QPR is equal to 45 degree. So angle QPR is equal to 45 degrees wrong. So A option is wrong. In B option, they are asking angle QRP equal to 120. Angle QRP is 120. So this is absolutely correct. But in B option, they are also asking the area of triangle PQR. To find the area of triangle delta, we can write 1 by 2 into two sides. Maybe those given in the question itself we can use. So 10 root 3 into 10 into sine of angle included between these two sides, which is 30 degree. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So I think this will come out to be 25 root 3. Yeah, 25 root 3. So in B option, area is also given to be 25 root 3. So this option B is absolutely correct. Okay, now coming to C option, radius of incircle, that means in radius of this triangle PQR is asked. Now once we know all the three sides, so to find in radius, we can use the formula delta upon S. Already we have found delta to be 25 root 3. And S means it is semi-perimeter. So 1 by 2 into 10 plus 10 plus 10 root 3. So here 25 root 3 and in the denominator we have 10 plus 5 root 3. We can do the rationalization. For this I will be multiplying numerator by 10 minus 5 root 3. Denominator will become 100 minus 75. So this 25 will get cancelled and this R value will come out to be 10 root 3 minus 15. I think this C option is also correct because 10 root 3 minus 15 they have given. Now fourth option is find area of circumcircle of triangle PQR. Now to find area of circumcircle, let us first find the circumradius R dash. R they have already used, so R dash. This I can write as Q upon 2 sine Q. Direct use of sine rule. Q is the side opposite to Q, which is 10. upon 1 because sine 30 is half. So r dash or circum radius comes out to be 10. So this area of circumcircle will be pi into 10 square, which is 100 pi. Okay, so here we can check the D option is also giving area as 100 pi. So D option is also correct. So answer should be B, C and D. Okay, so this completes the solution of this question. I hope you like this solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more questions.